Thank you for joining me for today's bird walk. This morning, we're back at the marsh, and it's the first week of June. Let's take a look around. Oh, there's a rufous hummingbird. Let's get a shot on top of that branch. I can hear a bunch of cedar waxwings behind me. Up here, way up here. Their call's pretty recognizable. There they are. A little high. Let's see. All right, we'll keep an eye on them. Oh, there's a crow moved about. Oh, what's that flying up there? The eagle, juvenile eagle. Plane flying overhead. Oh, you can hear some eagles calling. Wow, there's lots of activity. Okay, well, let's not get too distracted. I'll go back to this hummingbird still sitting here. Just make sure we get a nice shot of it. It's in front of this tree. Focus. I have to use a manual focus. Oh, I love it when the rufous hummingbirds are here. Wow, there's a... Well, it looks like the cedar waxwings are moving a little closer. Let's just move over here. See if we can get a better shot. Saw one come down here. Oh, there they are. Okay, let's move up here. Well, I think that was one that just zoomed by. Try to find a little opening here. Okay, let's see. Give this a sec. See if any pop out into some nice light. Oh, that's nice. All right, that was a decent shot. You can hear the eagles. Oh, they're right above me. Well, it looks like there's a third one that's joined too. All right, let's see where they end up. Pretty bright to shoot them. They're right into the sun here. Oh, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, they just landed up there. Let's go get a shot. Oh, it's a busy morning. Look, there's at least 3 more there. Okay, they're just on the treetop back here, so keep it moving. Okay, well, there's 3 eagles way back there soaring, and I'm not too sure where this pair ended up. Now, there is a pair that stays locally here on this marsh, and I thought it landed back on the tree. They landed on the tree there, but they seem to be pretty loud this morning, the eagles, so I'll keep an ear out for them. Okay, let's wander back. I think the juvenile mallard's just starting to get a little bit of green feathers on its head. Slowly wander back this way. Oh, there's something in the bushes there. Oh, flycatcher. Oh, what was that? Oh. I don't normally give you such a good look like this. Cool. Well, that should definitely give us some nice photos to identify with, and maybe a nice photo or two. Oh, here's another hummingbird. I love these roses here. Let's see. Zoom. Okay, it's zoomed up. Cool. Very cool. There's a heron flying over. Where's it going? Oh, landed right there. Okay. Oh, that one's a bit more in the open. Oh, here. Oh, there's the eagle. Another heron flying. Wow, so many herons. Oh, that's cool. Grab a shot of the mallard. Female mallard. Just glance over the pond, see if anything else jumps out. Might be a starling flying by there. Oh, eagle. Oh, yeah, the eagles just landed. Cool. A little tough into the light. Oh, we got a shot. They're on the move. Oh, there's the other one. There we go. cool. And they're off. What is that? Oh, there's the song sparrow. Branches. Alright, well, sometimes there's a branch through there. Oh, there's a hummingbird. Oh, and a chickadee below it. Chestnut-back chickadee. One of my favorites for sure. We're so lucky they're around all year round. Whew. Sounds like the hummingbird's upset. Alright, let's see what... Oh, there's another waxwing up there. Two of them. Is that crow that just flew in there? Oh yeah. Look at him hiding in behind the branches on me. Oh, to there. There goes the crow. Alright, let's see if we can grab a shot of the crow. Opening right here. Oh. Yeah, the crows don't want their photo all the time. Oh, the waxwing came and landed and saw me. Another one right here. Yeah, they're pretty close. Let's just see. There's quite a few of them around. Just Oh, I could spend all day shooting those cedar waxwings. Oh, here comes another heron coming in. And some kind of rock pigeon, looks like. Oh, it's hovering above me. Oh, it's coming into this nest. Oh, there's one. There's one at that nest. Oh, beside it. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. I got lots more videos coming. I'm gonna keep walking up here for a few more minutes and see if I can spot another bird or two. And if I'm able to, I'll take some more shots of it. But if not, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh, there goes the waxwings. You hear that flycatcher nearby. There go the crows. Okay. There, what's on top of the tree there? Okay. Oh, the eagle's getting harassed by crows over here. Let's take a shot of that. Oh, they took off. The crows are victorious.